Hello everyone, welcome to Cyber Ducky. Today we're going to do a different kind of video that doing an unboxing of Garmin um Instant 2X Solar. So this watch is a Garmin watch. It's some kind of active fitness tracker kind of a watch. So and I bought it for no any sponsorship for this video, and it comes with one cable for charging, and yeah, this is a USB-C, you can see here. Then this one is a special cable for Garmin watch. So okay, the reason I buy is that I wanted to change my Apple Watch, so I thought I want to try something new, so I go for Garmin this time because I find this Apple is too boring. Yeah. Okay, so this is the watch. Looks lighter. I don't know what else inside. Let me see. They have some stickers, I think. Yeah. Okay. Let's see how to on this. Okay, let me remove this. To on. Okay, it's on. I don't know whether you can see. Okay. I hope you can see it. Yeah. So it's asking for language. This one is not touch screen. I think I need to press this. Connect with the phone. So let me open the app. So this is the app. So let me do it. Just looking for it. It's found already. So I say connect, allow, yeah, pair. Yeah, it will take some time to complete, I think. Yeah, so meanwhile let me explain this thing can do. So this one is okay, it's asking to use the camera. I think pairing has become an issue here. Give me a moment. Let me okay, I think it's syncing. I don't know whether you can see it well. I think the light is hitting. Okay, so it's showing syncing. Okay, then try again. It's failed already. Let me try. Okay, this time around I use the camera. So this is connected. I think yeah, it's trying to sync. So you can see it's some kind of activities happening. It's completing. So let me explain about the phone. So this one is a sports watch, or like a smartwatch, like a sports. So it can do some of the advanced function like activity tracker, heart monitoring, sleep tracking, and it can give report about the morning report. How do you feel after you sleep? Are you ready for the training? So these are the things it can do. And one more thing, interesting thing about this is that it's a solar powered. So in a smartwatch with a solar power function. So this, I think, solar panel kind of a thing. So it can charge the phone through it can charge the phone through using solar. So that's the special about this. So I thought maybe I don't need to charge this phone if I buy this, so that's why I bought this. Yeah, so I'm trying to pair it. Yeah, it's still taking time. I don't know, some reason it's failing and connecting. And let's see what it's need. Okay, now completed already. Next. So it's asking some of the personal informations, how to, all this stuff. Anyway, app is completed, setting up. So that's about this video, and I will put some review video later in a session. And today I just wanted to do some kind of a video that I can so that keep something for you guys to watch. So if you see, interestingly, this one has 29 days of battery, and it gave me what is the time of sunrise. Nice, I can see those things, also dates, and it has a flashlight also. I don't know how to use it. I need to find out. Press GPS reaction. Okay, can earn a fan badge. Okay, dismiss. Okay, so this is the story. My time is also synced. Wow, this is nice. I find it very smart. I don't need to do so many changes. It's immediately recognize things. Yeah, thank you for the time, and please subscribe for more videos. I'm gonna put in a review about this watch eventually, and I need to do one video or few videos with my gimbal, which I'm recording this one, which is DJI, if you remember this. So I bought this gimbal, but I didn't do a review. Maybe I will do it maybe within this week. And thanks for your time, and subscribe. See you in another video.